Hello everyone, welcome back to Commerce Classes Standard 12. In this video, we are going to continue elements of directing second element, that is motivation. In our last video, we studied the characteristics of motivation. In this video, we are going to study hierarchy needs by Maslow, which will make us study and make us learn how employee or an individual gets motivated. Maslow's theory assumes that a person has various needs, but every person attempts to satisfy the basic needs before moving towards satisfying upper level needs. This is a mental state of every human being, that basic needs should be fulfilled first before fulfilling the higher needs. According to Maslow, lower order needs must be satisfied before higher order needs begin to control a person's behavior. Abraham Maslow had presented hierarchy of needs in his article Principle of Human Motivation in 1943. And according to Maslow's theory, a satisfied need motivates an individual. So now let's have a look on 5 needs arranged as per their priority. Here the structure of needs is shown, given by Maslow. It is arranged as per the priority of needs. At the bottom of the structure it is shown physiological needs. Physiological needs are the needs related to basic needs of human being. Second is safety or security needs, that is related to security. Third, social needs or love belongings, that is related to interaction with family, friends and relatives and others. Fourth need, that is esteem need, that is related to one's social status and recognition. Fifth need, that is self-actualization, which is related to very specific need. Now let's study all 5 needs one by one in detail and let's be more clear about it. First is physiological needs. This need is also called primary need because it's related to our basic needs. Let's read it. Physiological needs are the basic needs for sustaining human life. These needs include food, shelter, clothing, rest, air, water, sleep. So our basic needs are food, clothing, shelter, rest, air, water, sleep. Without that, one cannot imagine a life to live. So these are our basic and essential needs. Then, these basic needs are also called biological needs. They lie at the lowest level in the hierarchy of need as they have priority over all other needs. So, in the structure, physiological needs is at the bottom as it has the most priority. So, it lies in the bottom, that means it has to be fulfilled first, then rest needs are to be fulfilled. Then these needs cannot be postponed for long. No one can postpone or delay such essential need because without that one cannot live. Then the management attempts to meet such physiological needs through fair wages. So management or the business unit give the fair wages so that basic needs of human being is fulfilled. Now let's read the other need, that is safety need. Let's read safety needs. These are the needs connected with physiological fear of loss of job, property, natural calamities or hazards, etc. So after the primary needs are satisfied, the next need in the hierarchy is safety needs. It is related to job safety, safety against risk, regularity of wages. Then an employee wants protection from such types of fear. How an employee can have the protection from such type of fear? He can take insurance so that in the time of trouble he can have safety from all such things. Then some of the basic security and safety needs includes financial security, health and wellness, safety against accidents and injury. So if measures are taken in advance, one can be financially secured and one can be healthy and can have safety against any injury or accident. Now let's have a look on social needs. Let's read social needs. According to Maslow, humans need to feel a sense of belonging and acceptance among social groups, regardless whether these groups are large or small. So once security measures are taken, after that, social needs arises. We all know that man is a social animal. He wants to get love and affection from his family, relatives and society. Feeling of getting love and respect from family members, friends and relatives makes an individual satisfied and makes an individual realize that he is acceptable in society. Social needs include friendship, intimacy, affection and love from work, group, family and friends. So now let's read the other need, that is esteem and status need. Let's read esteem need. Esteem needs are ego needs or status needs. People develop a concern with getting recognition, status, importance and respect from others. Most humans have a need to feel respected. This includes the need to have self-esteem and self-respect. These include achievement, mastery, independence, status, dominance, prestige, self-respect. Above three needs are low-class needs. Esteem and status needs are high-class need, where an individual desires to have one's self-appraisal, respect from colleagues or officers, increase in reputation, and he also desires for his own recognition or identification that will satisfy his esteem needs, which includes achievement, mastery, independence, status, dominance, prestige and self-respect. His desire to get all this increases day by day. Now let's read the fifth need, that is self-esteem and self-actualization needs. Let's read self-actualization. This level of need refers to what a person's full potential is and the realization of that potential. Maslow described this level as the desire to accomplish everything that one can, to become the most that one can be. Individuals may perceive or focus on this need very specifically. So, this is the need where an individual aims to get the top position in his own work field by giving his best so that his skills is recognized in the society. For example, Zakir Hussain in playing tabla, Shiv Kumar Sharma in playing santoor, Sachin Tendulkar in the field of cricket, Amitabh Bachchan in the field of acting, Lata Mangeshkar in the field of vocal music. So all such legends are recognized by their skills. They have their name and fame because of their skills. So that is a self-actualization need. So here we have completed hierarchy needs by Maslow. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.